How to change GitHub repository from private to public. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open GitHub in your desktop or browser. You can also use the application in your mobile. After that, tap on this three line and then go to repositories. Select the repository that you want to change into public. Now, after that, simply tap on your profile and then go to your repositories and then open your repository from here. After doing that, what you will have to do is simply go to its settings. Now, go to collaborators. Now go to manage and then in this danger zone, simply change visibility and then change to public. Now confirm changing to public and done. Now your repository is public. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.